In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quiz in Microsoft Teams. To get started, our first action within Microsoft Teams is to navigate to the Assignments section. You'll typically find this tab on the left-hand navigation pane of your Teams interface. It's designed as the central hub for all your educational activities, encompassing everything from homework assignments to projects and, of course, quizzes. Clicking on Assignments will bring you to a comprehensive overview of all the tasks you've previously created, as well as provide the gateway to initiating new ones. Think of it as your primary dashboard for managing all graded coursework for your classes, ensuring everything is organized and easily accessible for both you and your students. Once you're in the Assignments view, the next crucial step is to initiate the creation process. Look for the Create button, which is usually prominently displayed at the bottom of the window, though sometimes it can be found in the top right corner, depending on your Teams version. This button is your gateway to crafting new content for your students. Upon clicking Create, a small menu will appear, offering you several options: assignment, quiz, and from existing. For our purpose of creating a new quiz, you'll want to select the quiz option. This choice specifically directs teams to prepare for a quiz rather than a standard assignment, setting the stage for the next phase of our process. After clicking Create and then selecting Quiz, Microsoft Teams will then prompt you with another choice, to either select an existing form or to create a brand new one. For this tutorial, we are focusing on building a quiz from scratch, so you'll want to click on the New Quiz option. What happens next is a seamless integration with Microsoft Forms. Choosing New Quiz will either open the Microsoft Forms interface directly within your Teams application or launch it in a new browser tab, depending on your system's configuration. This is where the core work of designing your quiz questions will take place, leveraging the powerful and intuitive tools provided by Microsoft Forms for building engaging assessments. Now, before you begin adding questions, it's essential to ensure your quiz is correctly associated with the appropriate group of students. Teams will likely present you with a list of your class channels. At this point, you need to click on the specific class channel where you intend to assign this quiz. This is a vital step because it dictates which students will receive the quiz and for which class it will be graded. If you haven't already set up your class teams or established specific channels for different subjects or groups, it's highly recommended to do so beforehand. Proper channel selection ensures smooth distribution, organization, and efficient grading once your students complete their assessments. With the correct class channel selected, you are now ready to dive into the most exciting part, actually building your quiz by starting to make questions. Within the Microsoft Forms interface, you'll see an Add New button. Click this to bring up various question types, such as choice for multiple choice questions, text for open-ended or short answer responses, and other options like rating or date. As you add each question, remember to input the question text, define the answer options for multiple choice, set the correct answer if applicable, assign points for grading, and mark whether the question is required. Take your time to craft clear and concise questions, and don't forget to preview your quiz periodically to see how it will appear to your students before finally assigning it.